In this tutorial, I will show you how easy it is to upload your assignment to Google Classroom. So say your teacher has told you that you need to turn in an assignment, or perhaps you need to write something, or you need to type something and you need to submit it to Google Classroom. So how do you do that? So here I am in this test classroom, and I'm going to come up here and click on the classwork tab. And as we can see here, there's already an assignment that has been posted by my teacher. So I'm going to click View Assignment. And over here, I'm going to click on this PDF file that my teacher has made available to me. And after clicking it, I can see that apparently I have to write an essay on the following topic. Okay, no problem. I simply come up here and I click the Add or Create button. After clicking it, you will see a couple of options pop up, and you simply need to click this button called Create New Docs. This, I personally find, is the easiest way to turn in an assignment like this, where you simply just have to write something, whether it be an essay, whether it be a letter, or any piece of formal writing. So I clicked that button, and now it's creating a Google Doc file. So we'll just let that load up. Okay, it's done. So I'm now going to come up here and click on this Google Doc button. As I click on it, it's going to open a new tab, and over there on the top left we can sort of see my name with the assignment already there. Great. And in this white space here, I'm just going to type in my essay. In this case, I'm just going to write in one simple sentence. Okay, now that that's done, and once you are done typing in your essay properly and making sure everything is okay, you can come up here and you can click the Grade Turn In button. Once you do that, it'll open a new tab, and it's going to take you to the Assignment Details tab in question. And we let that load up. Okay, so everything seems to be the same as before. Now all we have to do is click the blue Turn In button. It's going to ask us for confirmation if we really want to do this or not, where we have one attachment here called my name assignment number 1. So I click Turn In, and there it is. We are done. Just to be sure that we have actually submitted the assignment, we can go back to the classroom, go to the classwork tab, and if I come here and I click View Assignment once more, ta-da, it's there. Now you can make changes to this thing as long as it is before the deadline. So the deadline for this assignment is August the 8th, and today is August the 6th. So before that time, if I click the Unsubmit button, I can make some changes to it. Perhaps I want to edit the document even more. Perhaps I want to add something. Perhaps I want to remove something. Or perhaps I want to upload something entirely new. Maybe you have written something on your computer in something like Microsoft Word and you want to upload that. You can do that as well. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you would like to see more instructional videos like this, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.